Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 26. The problems of agricultural development in Nigeria include the following except A. Adequate storage and processing facilities, B. Inadequate credit facilities, C. Land tenure system, D. Poor transportation system, E. Problem of pests and diseases. So the concept we are looking at here is problems of agricultural development in Nigeria. Now, the problems of agricultural development in Nigeria are numerous, can range from poor transportation system, so poor transport, to inadequate storage and processing facilities, to unfavorable government policies, to land tenure system, poor electricity supply, and so on and so forth. Now, we have listed inadequate storage and processing facilities as a problem. However, option A talks about adequate storage and processing facilities. Now, adequate storage negates the problem of inadequate storage. So, adequate storage and processing facilities is not a problem of agricultural development in Nigeria. Hence, the correct answer is A. Adequate storage and processing facilities. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.